The wind chime, very long. And look, it's a tree. It's a lot of fruits. Chili. Sili-sili nga hang kaayo. Ayan, daghan na kay ko akong harveston. I already harvest some. Now I'm gonna harvest more. Thank you, Lord. And this, I don't know what that is, but Brian planted in a big pot. So it's growing, so I transfer in a small pot. My calamansi. Mine. mine. Another calamansi or lemon. Another calamansi up here. And avocado. I have the hibiscus. Champaka, sampagita, I don't know, sampagita or champaka. Look at that avocado. Avocado. And more avocado. And avocado here. And lemon. Tomato, I'm not sure tomato is ready for fruits. Yeah, I think so. And bulaklak with the lemon. And growing the lemon there. I'm gonna gawin ko itong bonsai kasi nagtagilid na siya eh. Para another hair growing. And I don't know what this is, but Brian said that he planted the seed, put the seed in the bonsai pot. Yan. So Manang is outside in the front. Manang just walked there. And of course my kalbobasa there. And some more there. Yan. And of course my sili. My sili. Beautiful sound. So another wind chime there. Wind chime everywhere here because of the wind is so good. Ayan. Beautiful color of the sili.